How to change theme and background in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the theme and the background of your Google Sites. So we are going to head over sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and boom, here we have the sites dashboard. Now we are going to select one of the websites that we own, and then we are going to click on it to open up the editor. Now once you are going to have the editor from here, as you can see, we're going to have all the elements that are available. So I'm going to select the section of the header, as you can see, and from here, I'm going to select the type of the header first. So you can go ahead and have a cover, a large banner, a banner, or a title. The title is not going to give you a color, but the cover is going to give you here a glance of, or half of it is going to be a color of the website. So how you can change this specific color, we can go ahead basically and click on image and click on select. Now we are going to click on select, and then we are going to find all the libraries that will allow us to change the color of the background. So the background is going to be in let's say case of photos, but if you're going to be interested in colors such as like static or dynamic colors like these, it is going to be possible to have them installed. So you're going basically to click on insert and you're going to have a color right there. You can also have an image color. You're going to type in here, for example, red image color, and you're going to find a static or solid color that is going to be imported in here by clicking on upload. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and select the themes and change the color from the theme. So you can go ahead and create or import a custom theme, or you can go ahead and select another theme, for example, which is going to change the background of specific buttons, like as you can see here, buttons like these, and also for the here the text colors also are going to be changed. Now for the background itself, you can go ahead, cannot basically going to change it because it is going to be a white background. You cannot have it changed your way, and this is going to be a little bit unfortunate. So you can go ahead and have some borders, as you can see here, to the specific image or to the specific, as you can see here, banner and etc. But for other settings you cannot do it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.